Okay, let's just dive right into this explainer. Look, today we are completely reframing NotebookLM. If you're sitting there thinking this is just some basic summarization tool, man, you are leaving massive potential on the table. We're going to completely transform how you view this software, literally turning it from a simple reader into an absolute productivity engine that will fundamentally change how you work.
10 minutes. Seriously, just imagine taking the agonizing hours you usually spend analyzing sources, pulling your hair out trying to connect the dots, and squashing that entire grueling process down to just that. 10 minutes. We're going to show you 5 specific hacks today to do exactly that. And hey, make sure you pay close attention to hack number 3, because I promise you that one alone can replace entire days of manual research.
Because here's the biggest problem right now. Most people are using this tool completely wrong. The old way means, 5 hours of deep research, plus maybe another 3 hours of organizing notes just to get a baseline understanding? You're wasting precious energy when the new way, doing all of that complex synthesis in literal minutes, is right at your fingertips.
So, hack 1, persona brainstorming.
Let's address the most common trap people fall into right off the bat. They upload a document, type, summarize this document, and, they call it a day. And sure, yeah, it works, but NotebookLM becomes exponentially more powerful when you stop asking for simple summaries and actually start telling it to be someone.
Think about it. Instead of a boring summary, you can completely shift the AI's perspective to serve your specific needs. Tell it to act as a harsh critic, a startup investor, a PhD researcher, or even a strict hiring manager. Upload your new business idea or your resume, and suddenly you don't just get an overview, you get real, actionable feedback. You get to practice under actual pressure instead of just guessing.
And if you really want to pressure test something, you've got to use a red team prompt. Ask it to find all the risks, flaws, and contradictions in your idea. Using this prompt is exactly like having a free, dedicated team of elite experts ruthlessly attacking and refining your work before you ever show it to the real world. It's a total game changer.
Moving on to hack 2, bypassing video fluff. Look, we all know the absolute pain of sitting through a rambling 40-minute tutorial just to find 3 minutes of actual value. Well, you can save hours of your life with 3 easy steps. Copy a YouTube video link, paste it directly into NotebookLM, and then prompt the AI for exactly what you want, like a 30-day action plan or a timestamp summary. Bam! You completely bypass the fluff.
Now, if you're a content creator, this is basically your new unfair advantage. By asking for a highly structured outline, you can literally drop in a competitor's top-performing video and instantly build an algorithm-optimized script for yourself without any of the traditional guesswork. I mean, you are systematically reverse engineering success here.
All right, hack 3, multi-source intelligence.
Okay, here is the feature that honestly feels a little bit like cheating. While most people upload one single document at a time, the real power unlocks when you upload multiple sources, articles, PDF reports, complex research papers. Just drop them all in together. The AI compares ideas, finds the gaps, and connects patterns across the whole shebang. It will literally tell you that source A and source B actually conflict on a timeline, or that one source completely ignored a crucial variable. It does all the heavy lifting for you.
To trigger this deep analysis, command the AI to find the biggest disagreements across your documents. It takes what used to be days of manual, eye-straining cross-referencing and turns it into a 10-second task. The AI synthesizes the conflict and hands you these incredibly nuanced insights right on a silver platter.
Next up, hack 4, auto presentations.
Let's be completely honest for a second. Manually aligning text boxes and organizing bullet points is just soul-crushing, and it takes hours. So let's automate it. NotebookLM can take all those brilliant insights you've just generated and instantly spit out slide titles, concise bullets, and even detailed speaker notes. It exports directly to Google Slides and PowerPoint, which means you get to focus entirely on your actual ideas rather than tedious pixel pushing.
And hey, if it generates the deck, but one specific part just isn't quite hitting the mark, you don't have to scrap the whole thing. It's a surgical fix. Just use a targeted prompt to demand better examples for a specific slide. You command it to tweak exactly what needs fixing, and boom, you're done.
Which brings us to Hack 5, Interactive AI Podcast.
This next feature feels incredibly futuristic. NotebookLM can actually turn your written notes into a fully interactive podcast-style audio conversation. And because it's interactive, you can literally interrupt the AI hosts to say, hey, wait, explain that again.
You can demand a beginner mode for simple, easy-to-grasp explanations or an expert mode for deep, highly technical breakdowns. It totally transforms passive listening into dynamic, personalized learning.
And finally, a bonus: Team Knowledge Hub.
Here is a little hidden feature that can completely transform your small business or team. By uploading your standard operating procedures, your FAQs, and all those dry internal docs, you effectively turn NotebookLM into a centralized company brain. So instead of your team constantly interrupting your deep work with the exact same questions week after week, they just ask the AI. It answers them instantly, based entirely on your actual documentation.
So, as we've seen throughout this explainer, this tool is just so much more than what it appears to be on the surface. It is no longer just a basic research tool. It has evolved into a content machine, a rigorous thinking partner, and an unparalleled productivity system designed to make you massively, massively efficient.
Which leaves us with this final critical question. Are you operating at a level others simply can't compete with? Because if you implement these 5 hacks, you will save hours every single day, and you absolutely will be operating on a totally different level. So make sure to subscribe to keep leveling up with us, because as fast as this AI space is evolving, you definitely don't want to fall behind.